Hello everyone, myself Hardik Samdadiya from 3rd year B Arch, presenting you my design project of sem-5 Meditation and Wellness Center. Meditation and Wellness Center is all about peace in our mind, which aims to create silent and calm area inside us by some individual creativity. It should be activity free of boundaries and directly connect with the nature. It should be strongly focused on connect of man in realm of nature. Anaspa case study at Shreyas Retreat. As of this project mainly focus on connection of man with nature by different courtyard and open space arrangement. It gets merged with surrounding contour by the design form which appear as one. There is also space which have uh, handcrafted jali screens, solid wood doors and openings merging interior and exterior spaces. Site analysis. It is located at Trambakeshwar near Busy Dam, Nasik, Maharashtra. The approach is from an highway which connects Trambakeshwar with Nasik. The site full cover with different types of lush vegetation with naturally formed sloping contours. In east, it has a water reservoir which connects to the west of Busy Dam from and small water stream passing from center of site. The site is surrounded by so many farmlands. Concept. The concept is about the spirit, mind, and body, which are connected with each other and forms an inner peace and healing. It breaks inwards from spirit as power, hope, faith, mind as thoughts, peace, recreation, body as strong, nurturing, developing. The main ideology is to create a journey path with positive enlightenment and focus through the space. It is connected to nature and environment with volume, natural light control, and material. Site plan. We enter the site from each direction by parking at one side and straight pathway towards the entrance of center. The pavilion is formed where the user enter inside the center and access to the spaces. All the roof forms sloping roof and forms inner volume high with a pathway connected to each other spaces. The ground floor plan. In front of buffer space and pavilion is designed, which is the main entrance to the center of the user. There are different buffer space which get connected to other spaces. From the pavilion, we enter to the site of public area, where the user have the activities of receptionist, the waiting area, the admin office, currency exchange, locker room, and shops. At the end of it, a staircase is provided to have an overview towards the water. Then from the public area, moving to forward, there is a nod. This provides an view towards the 360 degree. So from the nod, a common plinth is provided. In on that, the multi-purpose areas and the cafe area are get access as a common plinth as a one. Then moving forward, there is an exhibition area where the user have an activity and have an round through the exhibition space towards the seminar areas and the sports areas. From the sports area, again a nod is provided where at the end the amphitheater is provided for the open meditation spaces. The transition paths are given to get connected to the other spaces. There are different bridges which gets connected to it. The second bridge which get connected to the body wellness areas and the swimming pool which is at a common plane. Then again from towards the nearest part of the bridge there is a uh, gymnasium and the dining areas which is again moving forward get connected to the librarian space. The librarian space from the librarian space there are an access towards the meditation area. The meditation area is of a circular shape which allows the continuity in the wall as the user have the view towards the water body. And from the meditation areas at the back of it there are meditation cells which have an interior courtyard system which have an common interior and outerior spaces. Then from the meditation cells, the further transition paths moving forward leads to the accommodation spaces, where the upper accommodations are of a single accommodation, the lower are of a double accommodation, and the lowest are the Staff accommodation. The accommodation exists are through the transition paths which have an landscape inside the structure also. Then there are some buffer spaces for the sitting of it. The path forms an focus and enlightenment to our journey. The first floor plan. The first floor plan is for the single occupancy, the double occupancy and the staff accommodation, which is connected or have an access through staircase and have a view of sloping roof of other spaces. For the better understanding, there are some sections. The section AA is moving from the seminar space and the multi-purpose area in the exhibition space. The levels are such arranged as at some spaces they are filled and at some spaces they are dig up. With the natural contour formation, they are sloping towards the main busy dam and the central river body. The section BB shows the section from the accommodation area, where they at the last they are the multipurpose cells and the staff accommodation, which is accessible through a number of series staircase at the downside. The section CC shows the view from the river body, was the small lake, from which the meditation space are shown, which is more on close to the water body. And the section DD, in this section we are able to see as some places they are dig up and at some places they are fill up towards the water body at both the side. Here are some 3D views. The first 3D views shows the view from the seminar space, where there are a series of columns as they are forming an arch bay which is moving from interior to exterior. The second view is from inside the pavilion space, where it is appearing as an welcoming feature towards the center of meditation and wellness. So the third view is from the exhibition space central part, where the open volume is coming up. The fourth view is from the admin public areas, where again the number of series columns are present, where the users are moving from within the columns. This view is from the west direction of the busy dam. The another view is from the small water reservoir in the east direction, where it's showing the roof pattern of the meditation space and other sloping pyramidical roof. The third view is from the accommodation, from inside the accommodation, where a series of columns are present accessing to the rooms. The fourth view is from inside the meditation space with a central skylight. Thank you.